Pratibhalaya Arts Academy is a pioneer institution of Central India for the promotion of Indian arts and culture. The Academy, under the guidance of Dr. Manjumani and Sri Vishal, are continuously working for the promotion of dance, music, drama, literature, and other allied art forms and genres that come under Indian art and culture. The Academy imparts training to its artists primarily in Bharatanatyam and theatre. In the past few years, Pratibhalaya Arts Academy has conceptualized and presented many traditional dance dramas like Bhim Betka, Sundarkand, Ramkatha, Nritya Sankirtanam, Krishna Priya Tulsi, Kumar Sambhavam, Kavyagati, Adya, etc., along with dance dramas based on contemporary subjects like Vasundhara, based on climate change, Nadi, based on preservation of our rivers and water resources on various platforms. These presentations have been highly appreciated by the audiences. Our students have also worked individually for institutions like UNESCO, creating awareness on social issues like child labor. The artists of the Academy have gained fame at the national level by presenting the dance drama Dharti Kahe Pukar Ke, conceived by the central government and PMO recently, and have performed extensively for government and private festivals, both nationally and internationally. The Academy was recently part of the Guinness Book of World Records for continuous classical dance recital at Khajuraho Nritya Mahotsav, organized by the government of Madhya Pradesh. The students of the Academy were also part of Pranam series, which was coordinated by Guru Manjumani Hatwale in honor of Padma Vibhushan Dr. Padma Subramaniam by the Cultural Department, Government of Madhya Pradesh at Khajuraho Nritya Mahotsav. The Academy has been part of various workshops organized by stalwarts of dance and theatre community like Padma Vibhushan Dr. Padma Subramaniam, Padma Shri Geeta Chandran, Sangeet Natak Academy awardee Malvi Vijay Kumar, Sangeet Natak Academy awardee Preeti Jha Tiwari, and many more experts on the subject. Our students were also part of Sanskrit play by Central Sanskrit University and performed at National School of Drama Varanasi, Indira Gandhi National Centre for Arts Varanasi, Sangeet Natak Academy, Banaras Hindu University, and Amity University. We are continuously working towards the promotion and presentation of Indian classical art forms.